Good morning, gladiators. Welcome back, my angels. It is Monday, it's Tuesday, January 19th. So let's get started. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. So let's see. I don't know why I published Monday earlier today. So let's get it started. All right. So today you are going to be introduced to your very first project. The name of the project is called European Union. Okay. So please follow along step by step. I have outlined and highlighted everything that you need to do, following like literally one step at a time. Okay. So today you'll be issued your very first project. Please follow each category that is on this page. The links for each line item have been highlighted for you. Each line item provides you with the following. So let's look at this. So here you have your rubric. If you look at rubric, it's going to be line 3 right here. If you look at European Union country list, it'll be line item 4 right here. Okay. And so on. The World Factbook link, line item 6 right here. Okay. Now, yes, it's a little unorganized in those categories, but let me explain why. There are certain things that you need to do, that you need to follow before you get started. One, you need to be able to know how to do research. Okay, so let me take these out. These are bothering me today. All right, so what you're going to do is you will watch the video on the do's and don'ts of internet research. Okay, watch this video. It's very informative. It gives you the information that you need to know how to research certain things. Okay, because a lot of times we tend to just research and get the first thing that we see, or we're picking up things from Wikipedia. Wikipedia is never allowed in education. Just FYI, it's never allowed. It's not a reliable source, okay? Because it can be edited throughout the day. Never use Wikipedia. So watch the video. It's a short video. Number 2, watch the video on how to narrow down your research in Google by using valid sources with Google operator tricks to locate only the information you're searching for. Now, this video is optional. You do not have to watch it. If you are tech savvy and you know how to locate your items, and you get all this list and you know exactly what you're looking for, go ahead and use it. But if you're not sure, you're like, okay, I'd rather use those tricks to make sure I'm getting only what I need and I'm not getting a whole bunch of random stuff, then I'm going to watch this video so I can learn those tricks. And the Google search operator tricks are going to help you like for the rest of your life. It's something that you will constantly use over and over and over and over, especially in education. Number 3, review the European Union Country Report Project Rubric. Read it carefully to know what is permitted to use in your project. Each category has various sites that will be allowed to present your data. Please do not use any other sites other than the sites specified on the rubric. Please note, this project is due Monday, February 1st, by the start of class. Okay, by the start of class. I'm giving you 2 weeks to work on this. Now, my suggestion is that you work on a slide every single day. This way you don't get overwhelmed or you cannot get out in one day. Let me go over the rubric quickly with you. See if it'll allow me to bring it up. Okay, so choose a country from the 27-member European Union. You can find a list of those countries posted in Schoology. Use the attached template to record the information from the research that you conducted of your chosen country. Then you will create 5 Google Slides for your project. Can it be more than 5? Absolutely, but it at least needs to be 5. You will use the link we provide to find your information. You're able to use Google for images for people in society, lifestyles, and for images of physical features only. All other categories must be from World Factbook. Country and capital, you're going to get that from World Factbook. Government leaders, World Factbook. People in society, languages and religions, you'll get that from World Factbook. But images, you can get that from Google. Okay? Lifestyles, you can get that from Google. Images, those are images. Physical features, you will get that from World Factbook, and you can provide images from Google. Economy, it must be from World Factbook. Now you'll notice here it says if each HDI is listed, please show it on your slides. Please know that A lot of for some reason on World Factbook it doesn't show the HDI for all of the countries, but we do know which countries do show those HDI. So please make sure if it shows that HDI, make sure that you document that on your data. Okay, HDI is Human Development Index. You will find that in economy and you'll have to scroll up and down until you locate it. Okay, but please do so. Population, you're going to get that for World Factbook. If you notice inside the parentheses, that's what we're looking for. Okay, let's see, web links, minimum of 2. That would be World Factbook and Google. Demonstrated remarkable efforts and late work deduction 5 points per day after due date. No exceptions because we're giving you 2 whole weeks. Okay. Now, with that said, please follow along. Line item 4, select one of the European Union countries to present for your project. If you click on this link, you're going to see 27 European Union countries. Choose one of those. Okay. Number 5, watch the video on how to locate the information to research the information on the rubric in the World Factbook. I made a video for you over the weekend. If you click on how to use the World Factbook video, click here. That will literally walk you step by step. Click on this link before you start going into World Factbook, because World Factbook is very, very cumbersome, and it's extremely overwhelming. Not cumbersome, it's overwhelming, and it will confuse you. Okay, let me give you an example. Maybe I should go here. All right, if I click on World Factbook, this is what it looks like. So if you start clicking around, it will take you all over the place. The World Factbook is it's a data system that is used countries worldwide to provide the information of what's happening in those countries economically, geographically, socially, and politically. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on countries. Here you have the option to filter. I highly recommend filtering. It's the easiest way. If I'm looking up United States, because the letter U is the first letter of United States, I'm going to click on U, click on United States. Now, here you have images that you can use. Here you can click on details to get the country flag. I highly recommend putting that on your slide. Your country map will provide you, if I click on that, it will provide you with the physical features that you need to look for, so you don't have to go and research it. It's on your map. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Gulf of Mexico, Rocky Mountains. Those are physical features. Now you'll notice that my other information is gone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back, use the arrow, and it takes me back to that first page. The one-page summary is an amazing system, amazing page, because it provides you with the majority of what you need. Your type of government, who your government officiant is, the capital. It gives you, gives you population. It gives you ethnicity, language, religion. Those are things that you need for your project. Now, obviously, once you click on that, your site's you'll notice I can't click back. So just click back on your tab. All right. And then if you just scroll down or up, however you want to say it, this will provide you with information on what you need to look for. The contents is the easiest way. You have geography, people and society, and economy. For the most part, what you're really going to need, because geography, you're looking it up on your map. People and society and economy is probably what you're going to use the most. Okay. Economy, like I said, it's overwhelming. So if you scroll, this is what you're looking for. Okay. Keep scrolling till you find what you need. All right. So I know it's asking you for agriculture. Here's the agriculture right here. It's asking you for industries. Here's industries. Other than that, you don't need anything else for economy. Okay. People and society. You need the population. You're going to put that number. The ethnic groups, you can either get that from your one-page summary right here. You can also get your language from here and your religion. Like, don't go all the way down if you don't have to. It can get a little bit overwhelming. Other than that, you don't need anything else. Okay. And then go to Google and look up images of your flag, images of people in society, like the foods, the holidays that they celebrate. Okay. Have fun with this project, guys. Okay. 7, how to make Google Slides videos. If you do not know how to make Google Slides, watch this video that Mrs. Orozco from the librarian made for you. Follow that and she'll show you how to make a Google slide. And last but not least, I found an amazing project from a student last year. I chose India because it's not one of the European Union and I didn't want you to copy it. So what they did is they put the flag colors, they posted a symbolic feature of their country. They put their student name here. They gave me the capital. They put a background setting, the type of government that they have, who the current leader is. They provided me with the religion, food, and holidays. Everything's very nice and neat. They even provided me with an image of that delicious meal, whatever that is. The geography, they provided me with the major bodies of water and the physical features. Agriculture, major industries and technology. The Indian population, they gave me the ethnicity, the literacy rate, the human development index, and they told me whether the country is more or less developed. Keep in mind, you're going to have to use those social study strategies to figure out, is it a more developed or less developed country? If they have a lot of jobs, if they have a lot of agriculture, they have a lot of major industries, more than likely it's going to be a more developed country. If their country has a government with separation of powers or a democracy, they have democracy, it's democratic, it's going to be a more developed country. Use those social study skills. And of course, they cite it here. That's important to cite at the end of the page. Okay? Super easy. All right. There is, if we go back to your assignment, if I go back to Tuesday, here's your project. I even opened up for you or created for you a template. If you're like, oh, I don't know how to do it, it's too much for me, no big deal, guys. I made you a template here, and it's up to you on how you want to color it, what images you want to add. That's all up to you. Okay, so it's all there. Remember, I know it's a lot, and this is why it's really important that you follow along exactly the way I typed it up for you. This is going to explain it to you literally the way you need to know how to do. Okay, how to do it. Super easy. Follow those line items. All right, my angels, that's it. That's what we're working on today in class. So I will walk you through it again in class. If you're still confused, please come on today so we can go through it together. All right, I can't wait to see you, and I'll see you in a bit.